Hello and welcome to the Easy Recipes channel, Mia's Yummy World. I'm here today with a very helpful video, a tried and tested recipe for sponge cake sheets to be used in cream cake layers. This recipe will give you the softest cake layers with a perfect taste and with just a few ingredients. You don't need baking soda or baking powder or butter. All you need is just 5 home ingredients. Just keep an eye on the few tips in this video, use the exact measurements and baking time, and you'll be so happy with the cake you make. Start with a clean bowl and whisk 3 egg whites at room temperature. Keep whisking until it turns foamy and double in quantity like this. Then add 90 grams of fine granulated sugar, 1/3 of it at a time. Please remember and try to measure your ingredients, but if you're not able to measure it, 90 grams of sugar is almost 6.5 tablespoons. Make sure you use the proper tablespoon measurement. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hello there, I'm glad to have you here. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy recipe videos or family holiday vlogs every week. If you have seen this channel before, welcome back, and I'm so glad to see you again. Thank you for popping back, and I hope you like this video too. I especially want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed and supported me in every way through your comments and suggestions and delightful messages. Please know that you're all so dear to me. So, thank you. Now back to our recipe. Whisk the mixture until it turns white and glossy and stop when it turns into soft peaks that fall off like this. We don't want to whisk it into a meringue consistency, if you see what I mean. Now into the bowl, add 3 egg yolks one at a time and mix by running the blender once around the bowl like this. What I mean to say is, do not overmix and deflate all the air bubbles from the whisked egg whites. That is the second yolk, which is a bit broken, and just one round, and that's mixed in, and then the final egg yolk into the bowl and one last whisk to mix that well in. Perfect, so that's all well combined. Now will be a good time to preheat your oven to 140 degrees. Pay attention, you have to bake in a preheated oven only. Into the bowl, now sieve and add 90 grams, which is again an equivalent of 6.5 tablespoons of plain flour. You don't need self-raising flour or any raising agents in this cake like baking soda or baking powder. Add the flour in 2 sets and with a spatula gently fold it in until there are no lumps. Now coming to the last 2 ingredients of the cake, we need 30 ml of warm milk. Into it, add 30 ml of oil. I have used rice bran oil. Please avoid any oils with a strong smell like olive oil or rapeseed oil. You can use almond oil, sunflower oil or any vegetable oils. Ensure the milk is warm and then mix it together and add it to the bowl, and with a spatula combine all the ingredients well. That's all the 5 ingredients for our soft sponge cake. Now the next is an optional ingredient, but if you have it, it's very good to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give the cake a special vanilla flavor. It's important to keep in mind that you should not overmix this cake. Just gently fold it in and our cake batter is ready. It's important to bake the cake in a lined and greased baking bowl. I have used a 15 centimeter diameter baking bowl that is lined at the bottom and around the sides with parchment or butter paper. Pour the batter into the bowl and gently tap to level the batter. Run a skewer in the batter like this to release any trapped air bubbles. Bake in the center of the oven for exactly 40 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius. You will know when the cake pin or skewer inserted in the cake comes out clean. Take the cake out of the oven and allow it to cool fully before demolding. The cake may deflate up to a centimeter, but this is to be expected. Now the perfect sponge cake layers are ready to be iced into a beautiful cake for your loved ones. I made this cake for my precious daughter's birthday. Watch out for the mind-blowing blueberry cake recipe coming up very soon in Mia's Yummy World. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will make this easy cake too. It is so super soft and it's very simple recipe with just 5 home ingredients. Please like and share this video if you have enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe for more. Keep safe and see you very soon. Bye for now.